Greetings. This lecture is on money management. Most new traders don't have a firm grip on money management, and it is the first thing that one should learn before you even place one trade. What money management is? Money management consists of a trading plan, the preservation of your capital, making reasonable targets, throwing hope out of the window, doing all you can to preserve your peace of mind. And in the end, you will accumulate capital if you adhere yourself to your personal trading plan that you know works. A trading plan. This defines what type of trader you are. So everyone has different ways of trading. Many of them do work. Do realize there are only 4 trading charts in existence at all. Most people are not aware of this. They think every new system there's going to be this new wonderful thing, and it's simply not true. How you enter and exit your trades. This is very important. This determines your entry and your exit and your stop. 3 things: enter, exit, stop. Defines your strategy in very simple terms. You want it so simple that a 7-year-old can understand the thing that you are trying to convey. Outlines your expected take from the market. Exactly how much money would you like to make? And this needs to be broken up in over a long period of time. Say for a year you want to make $100,000. There's 12 months in a year. Let's make it even simpler, $120,000. And so you want to divide that into 12 months, and so you need to make $10,000 a month, and then $10,000 a month is divided upon 20, which is 20 trading days per month on average. So that means that every week you need to make $2,500, which you divide that by another 4, and it's somewhere around 600 something, 650 or whatever it is, dollars per day you need to make to achieve your goal. And so this becomes your target for the day, and then you have to divide your target by the average amount of trades you make per day. Okay. Capital preservation. Use your stops. Only take trades that actually trigger. There are 3 issues with taking trades that do not trigger. Number 1, and most insidious, is taking a trade that does not trigger and it happens to go your way. That may make you money temporarily, but it will teach you one of the most destructive behaviors in the market, and that is to not follow your trading plan, because your trading plan actually makes sense, and it makes sense for a very good reason. And when you go against that reason, well, things that don't make sense will begin to happen to you. The second thing is, if it goes against you, you will lose self-confidence. You will begin to think that your trading plan does not work, and the only thing that does not work is you following your trading plan. Exit at intended target. Exit at your target. You set that target up for a very good reason, because it was within reason that the stock would achieve a certain price. Never let stocks back up on you. There is no reason to let a stock that has advanced in your direction back up on you past pivot points or past consolidations. Losers let stocks back up on them. The stock backing up means that this most probably will not work. Reasonable targets. taking a portion off the table once again once your target is reached. One trade on average is not going to make you a rich man. Okay, get that right out of your mind. This is not gambling, this is trading. Raising the stop to or above the entry, this is very important. Once your stock has made the first leg of its advance or decline, then you need to move your stop accordingly, because you are only chasing the ones that move in your direction, and when they cease to move in your direction, then you cease to become a part of the entire trade. Not hoping for more and taking your exit. Many people fall into the hole of hope. Hope belongs in other aspects of life, and in our reality it actually belongs in trading, but not in any particular trade. You hope that you will be able to reach your target for the day, and if you don't, that's fine, as long as you stayed with your trading plan. But as far as once you're in a trade, hope, there's no hope anymore. Either a stock will reach a number or it will not. That's it. It's nothing else. Peace of mind. Your self-respect is earned by acting the way you know you should act in a trade. Your respect is going to be lost if you do not act the way that you know that you should act, because you begin to value yourself less as a trader. This is not good and can lead to big losses and a whole bunch of mental issues that you don't even need to deal with, especially if you're just trying to make money. Accumulation of capital. Trading, you have to keep in mind you are here to accumulate capital. This means that accumulation occurs over a set period of time. It does not happen in one day. Sure, you've heard all those famous stories about who got rich in the 90s and, you know, who bought this and did that in one day. All that happens, but they did not make a story about the millions of people that lost. Okay, and so you are the house, you're the gambling casino house. You do not want to put yourself on the side of the guy that got baited in by the free food and the free room and board and the free airplane trip to Vegas, while they sit there and take your $30,000 to $50,000 out of your pocket little bit by every day. Never deviate from your plan. Okay, your plan was devised because it made sense, and therefore you should follow it religiously. Ending comments. In the end, you are a professional trader. Professional traders purchase or sell stocks on time every single time, and then what we do is we hand it over to those zealous people that really enjoy hope. Those that think the stock is going to go to zero today, or it's going to go from $30 to $80 today. When we go ahead and say, you know, I hope that this does happen for you, here, you can have it. And so we give it to them, and this should be your mentality, is to take the first bite of the trade. You can take a portion off at that time or leave some for hope, but we're definitely taking something off for at the exit. And so we always end up paid, and then we have a little hope, and hope can go a long way sometimes, but majority of the time it's going to make that first leg. Okay, if you have any other questions, contact me on the YouTube, and if you would like to become a mentoree, go ahead and put that in as well.